today I'd like to show this Canon film camera I have for sale on my eBay store. This right here is the case. It's in very good condition. Here's the shoulder strap right here. Now inside here is the camera. Now the camera is a 38mm lens. It has autofocus. And I will demonstrate that it works. Here's the flash. Very nice camera. On the front here it has a self-timer pre-focus switch. It's hard to see on the camera, on the video, right there. And above it, if you hit this, it closes the lens. Light comes on in the back. As well as on the back, it can open up for the film, like this. Very nice Canon camera. The flash goes down like that. Only thing is that it has a black marker spot right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, right there, the black marker. There it is. That's it. That's the only thing wrong with it. Very good Canon camera. It's for sale on my eBay store. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.